What if I told you there's a digital currency that doesn't need banks, is decentralized, and can be accessed by anyone with an internet connection? Yes, we're talking about Bitcoin, the first cryptocurrency that sparked a financial revolution. Welcome back to Trades and Crypto, the channel where we break down the complex world of trading and cryptocurrency. I'm Diego, and today we'll dive into what Bitcoin actually is, how it works, and why it has captured the world's attention for over a decade. If you're ready, let's get started. It all started in 2008, a year most people remember for the global financial crisis. The trust in banks and the traditional financial system was shaken to its core. Then, like a mysterious light in the darkness, a white paper was posted online by someone, or some group, under the name Satoshi Nakamoto. In this document, Satoshi proposed a new kind of digital money that wouldn't need banks to function. Instead, it would allow people to transfer value directly to one another without any intermediaries. It was a groundbreaking idea, but at the time, few could foresee how big it would become. Think about it, a currency that belongs to everyone and no one. This was Bitcoin. Satoshi's idea was about more than just money. It was about freedom and decentralization. So how does this actually work? Bitcoin operates on a technology called blockchain. Picture a public ledger or a digital book that records every single transaction. Now, each time people exchange Bitcoin, these transactions are grouped into blocks. These blocks then connect to form a continuous chain. This blockchain technology is what makes Bitcoin so secure and transparent. Every transaction is visible, and once it's recorded, it's permanent. No one can change it, and that's a game changer in a world where trust is in short supply. So, at its core, Bitcoin is powered by this massive, tamper-proof digital ledger. Powerful idea for anyone tired of relying on third parties to handle their money. Now, let's talk about the miners. In traditional banking, transactions are verified by banks. But in Bitcoin's decentralized world, these transactions are validated by miners, individuals or companies who use high-powered computers to solve complex mathematical problems. These miners are like Bitcoin's record keepers. When they solve a problem, they confirm a group of transactions which are then added to the blockchain. As a reward, they receive a little bit of Bitcoin. This reward system keeps the entire network running smoothly. Think of miners as the guardians of Bitcoin. They put in the work to keep the network secure, and in return, they earn Bitcoin. But here's the catch: mining is expensive, requiring significant computing power and electricity. This makes it challenging to attack or hack Bitcoin, adding another layer of security. Alright, so why all the hype around Bitcoin? Why are people calling it digital gold? Unlike the US dollar or the euro, Bitcoin has a fixed supply of 21 million coins. Once they're all mined, there won't be any more. This scarcity makes it deflationary, and in times of economic uncertainty, it's a hedge against inflation. Think about it. With traditional money, governments can print more when they need to, which can devalue it. But with Bitcoin, no one can just make more. It's like gold, but digital. And because it's global and decentralized, it's accessible to anyone, anywhere. Imagine someone in a remote area without access to a bank. They can still receive Bitcoin and participate in the global economy, giving them a level of financial freedom they wouldn't otherwise have. Now, here's where we need to be realistic. Bitcoin's value is extremely volatile. While it has seen massive gains over the years, it's also experienced some painful drops. This kind of volatility isn't for everyone, especially if you're looking for stable returns. Bitcoin's price is influenced by many factors: media coverage, regulatory news, and overall sentiment. So, while it's tempting to jump in, it's crucial to understand both the potential rewards and the risks. So, what does the future look like for Bitcoin? Some experts believe it could become a common form of digital money, while others see it as a long-term store of value like gold. We're also seeing countries and companies experiment with Bitcoin. In some places, you can even use it to buy everyday things. While we can't predict exactly where Bitcoin will go, one thing's clear: it has sparked a financial revolution that shows no signs of slowing down. So now you know the basics of what Bitcoin is, how it works, and why it matters. Are you ready to take the next step into the world of cryptocurrency? Let me know in the comments below if you're holding Bitcoin or if you're thinking about investing. And don't forget to subscribe to Trades and Crypto for more deep dives into trading and crypto topics.